part of the reason I got into politics. You know that, don't you?
Well, you told me.
I'm actually sort of related to you.
A bit.
A little bit. My wife is. When I moved here after I got out of school and we were married, and you were very gracious to help me as I got started in business. I had my landscaping business and did some introductions for me and introduced me to the folks down at the chamber and got me involved down there. And the chamber was just starting their Leadership Greer program. And you asked me if I wanted to do it. And I said, yeah, I'd love to do it. And then I found out it was about, what, $300 or something, wasn't it? And I said, well, boy, I hadn't got that kind of money. And you said, well, if you'll make the time to do it, I'll pay for it. And you paid for it, and I'll win. And so I was part of Class 1 of Leadership Greer, and that gave me some real insight into what a great community this was. Been a few years after that, I had the opportunity to run for mayor and got elected in '99 and have served since 2000. So I'm in the middle of my 5th term.
Well, I have to pat you on the back. You've done a tremendous job.
Well, thank you. It's good folks like y'all have helped me along the way too.